Shalom from Israel. Thank you, dear friends, for helping us to buy forklift. Now we have this an amazing equipment and work is going much quicker. Backs of our volunteers and our friends will be saved from carry so much of extra weight. Thank you very much. You're making our work more sufficient, more quick. We will be able to work safer and to bless more people, to help more people for shorter time. You make us really more advanced. Once again, you are a blessing. And together we're changing lives, we're blessing people, and this amazing equipment, it's another illustration of your involvement and your help. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Shalom from Israel. And behind the screens is the faces of our team. They're so happy and they feel so blessed. It will be make much more easier. You're the real blessing. Thank you and shalom.